So I've been working on this stupid windshield washer pump. Well, it hasn't been working for several weeks, couple months. Anyway, finally got tired of always trying to find a stupid gas station that had the thing the thing to clean the windshield. Anyway, so I knew there was going to be a pain to get to and everything, but I'll show you in this video how to do this. I already took off the part, and in reality, the thing still made noise and it still seemed like it worked, but I don't know, something's not right. So I don't know if the pump just didn't have enough, like it was dying maybe, it wasn't getting enough force to push the fluid through or suck it through. Anyway, I did use an air compressor to check the line, and I could get air out of the, going from the pump all the way up to the windshield. Air was coming out on both sides, and then I blew air actually into the where this pump goes, into the washer fluid tank, and thought maybe something's blocking it there. Fluid goes everywhere. But anyway, so there's nothing blocking there. So the only thing I can think of is somehow this is an issue. I just went to the Ford place. I got my new part. $36. I could have ordered online, I think, for $22, but yeah, I'm here at the Ford place. I'm not gonna wait. I got the car half taken apart, so I'm on my way back home, and then we'll put this together. I'll show you how to get to it. It's a pain in the ass, but it's easy once you get to it. Okay, I made it here back to the house. So another thing, kind of to fill you in on and why I think is the pump. This pump, fortunately, controls both the front and the back washer fluid. So you only have one pump. So I was getting no washer fluid in the front or in the back. This would be the common denominator. It's different tubing that goes to each. So it's this, or something's blocking it up in the actual tank, which, like I said, I did blow air in there, and it looked fine there. So like some other videos did say, if you hear this, it's not going to be this. And I did actually even put this in a cup of water, and fluid did come out, but I don't know. I'm still thinking that this is it. We'll find out soon enough. All right, and I will show you how to do this now. So I already took off this whatever, the heat shield type thing, these clips. I'll show you how to put them in eventually, how to take them out and put them in. But anyway, I already taken that off. Like I say, this is one solid line that goes to here, and then same with the back. I already disconnected them in my troubleshooting part. But anyway, so I followed the line all the way back, and the pump is down there. Yeah. Here's where you fill it in, and as you can see, that's the pump, and the lines are right back on that back side in there. Yeah, you can't get to it from the top. So come over here to the tire. Best thing to do, jack up the car, take off the tire, and then take off the fender well. I've already got a few loose. I had to go get my part, so I had to put everything back together. But I'll show you which ones to take off. And we're gonna do these here as well. But okay, let me jack it up. Okay, so I have my car jacked up. I got a jack stand over here. So the stand is holding the weight. The wheel is loose. Just taking them off, and I'm assuming everybody's going to know how to do this part. So I'm going to pause it, finish taking this wheel off, and then we'll go from there. Okay, the wheel's up, and it's cold out here today. So if I pull a Patrick Swayze, some of you may catch that reference, I don't know. Okay, so these screws right here are a 7mm. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, down and over, 8, 9 that we're gonna undo. Like I say, I've already started this, so I'm just gonna take these back off. I only got a couple here to do, and then I'm gonna show you the other clips. I can do this one now. Okay, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, got 9 screws. Okay, so you got 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it's a special tool. You could use screwdrivers, but you're gonna hate yourself for it. I got this at AutoZone, $13, I think. Just saves you a ton of trouble. It's still not the easiest to pull these out, but it grabs the whole thing and then pulls it out. And you know, same here. This one is a little bit hard because there's nothing there, so that's the one that got all eaten up. Anyway, I pried it out, and eventually I got some needle nose and dug it out the rest of the way. This one, yeah, I already got that one. Okay, so now next is we are going to move this all back out to about here and pull it down so we have access over here to the pump. Okay, so this slides in. Yeah, it sounds like we're breaking the damn thing. Okay, now there, right here is the last little tab that goes straight out, and then right here is one that's like a vertical tab that goes straight up. It slides between the like the sheet metal and this thing, this molding here. I would try to avoid pulling that one out as possible. It's hard to get back in. You can do it, but it just if you can avoid taking it out, do. Just save you some trouble. Okay, so here you can see I already have the pump. Remember, I had that old pump on Ford Place and verified I got the right part. Anyway, so it's already disconnected. So right here is where it sits. Right here, and 2 lines go up and then to each side of the pump, and here's a plug to plug into the pump. Now this plug, there's a little tab right here. You kind of have to push it in. See, that little tab is the only tab, and so you got to get it up over that one, and then it just slides right off. And that's the little notch that it kind of fits in. So you kind of press this and do whatever and eventually get it off. Okay. Okay, it goes in this direction. The plug is at the top. This goes into the into that hole right there. And when you take it out, it just easily pulls out. So I'm going to stick it in there. Just slides into place. I'm going to attach that one. Click, click. You can hear it click. They're both attached, secure. Okay. Now I attach this one. Oh, it's already attached. Attached, everything's good. And now let's hope. Oh, let's hope. Okay. 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 Oh, come on. Front still don't work. Okay. Let's see if the backs work. I can hear the pump. But absolutely nothing. Okay. Well, this video is gonna suck. Ha! No. So that tells me I think it has to be somewhere in this tank. There is fluid in there. So I don't know how to empty it out. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, it's too much trouble for this, is I'm going to take the pump out. I got a glass of water. And I'm going to set this on top of this and then the pump in that. And hopefully get water that way. Okay, so the that's below the water. So let's see. Now if this works here, then we know something's going on over here. It's blocked or clogged or something. But that remains the one remaining common denominator. Okay, so that works. That tells me troubles. Because now it would seem this has to be the solution. Well, not the solution, the problem. The solution to the problem, I guess. Let's see. I'm gonna look at taking this off right here. Yeah. That kinda got washer fluid everywhere. So, I use this. And look, like a plastic around this that is clogging the thing. So it appears I did not have to buy a pump after all, and I got quite a mess going on. I was clogging up this filter. Ugh. It's so slimy. Yeah, you can see it everywhere. And so I am going to probably get a hose and flush through there just to make sure everything's out, and let's see what happens. Okay, so like I said, it's winter time. So of course I had my hose, all that already covered up. So that was a freaking chore just to get this over here. Go to the center one again. Make sure we kind of power washing it down there as much as we can. Turn to jet. Okay. Oh, goodness. Yes. So I did the little spray wash on it. Got it all clean. Got the rest of the junk off. It looks really clean now. So I'm gonna put it back in right here. Watch this not pop in. I did. Yay. Okay. Oh, I set that up out of the way. I didn't want to get water all over that. Now, let's pop it in place. See right up here? There's little notches for these to go into. You just pop them out, pop them back in. Pop them back in. Anyway. Now I have no washer fluid though. So I need to go get some washer fluid. And then I'm not gonna put the car back apart together to go get washer fluid. So fortunately for me, there's a Walmart half a mile that direction, and I'm going to go get that, and I'll come back and let you know. We'll finish the video. Jeez Louise, I get all the way over here and I forgot my damn mask. Well, hopefully they have one for me inside. I don't really want to walk back for one. They had one for me. Anyway, so now to get the fluid. I don't like these kind of masks. I got the rain sensing because the Ford Escape, 2014 Ford Escape does have that. And the wipers. So, I don't know, I'll never really make a difference, but anyway, that's what it is. Okay, so we're back here at the car. Okay, got my funnel. Da-da-da. Let's see. Oh yeah, I can see it rising. So you can see it from the top. It's just when it's so empty, you cannot. And that is that. Look. Oh. Ha. Oh, Lordy. See? Overfilled it. It's all coming out. Oh my God. You know, but I don't really think that it's going to matter for washer fluid. So let's go try it on. Okay, I am 100% sure this is going to work. Let's see. Holy smokes. It does. How about the back? Yes, it does. Oh my God. And it sprays better than it ever has since I had the car. So that's awesome. Yay. So, although you still ain't seen me screw up a couple times, I guess one thing to note is that if anybody wants to buy a used washer pump, I have it right here for you. So I don't know. I'm fine with the new pump. Regardless, $30. A lot of time today, but you know what? We learned. There's a blue gunk again. Okay, so I'm putting this back up. You don't want to put that. Okay, set that vertical tab out, and it hurts your finger. See, that is the vertical tab I was talking about. Okay. Okay, that's back in. Now I got this section in. See, it always wants to keep pop them back out. Such a little pain. This is probably the worst part of the whole job because it's a very rigid plastic. Eventually, you will get it. See, I got it on the wrong thing. It needs to go in between here and here, and it's behind it. That's one of my issues. So, back out. That number to it, and it went in. Okay, so all this is in. It's in up here. Now you should be able to line these up. Yes, they'll line up. These should line up, and this one needs to be on top. See that shelf needs to be on top of this, or underneath, however you want to look at it. But anyway, okay. So let's start with this one first. Okay, I'll pop in this one. And one thing I didn't mention, that one, it's a little bit smaller than the ones that are in here. So the smaller one goes in here. I need a whole lot. Just push it in. So these ones, so just push them back in. Push it back in. See, they hold. They're not gonna come out. There. Okay. Alright, you want no leftover parts when you're done. And that ends the video for replacing the pump that wasn't really needed, but figuring out it's the clog inside. And that was troubleshooting. There you go. All right, see you next time on some other video. All right, that concludes the video.